Hi, my name is Sunil Fernandez. I'm the managing editor for Goodreturns.in. I'm here to do a quick market roundup and tell you what happened in the stock markets today. After 6 straight days of fall, there was some respite for the stock markets with the Sensex and the Nifty ending the day higher. Of course, it was not stupendous gains, but pretty decent gains, and the Sensex ended the day higher by about 237 points to close at 51,597 points. The Nifty gained about 56 points to end the day at 15,350 points. So you had two categories of stocks that moved either ways. Metals and oil and gas exploration companies moved lower, while we had banking stocks and housing finance companies that moved higher. So basically what happened was today metal stocks melted. Tata Steel was down and 4.6% and ended lower by 4.6%. We had Hindalco, which was another metal stock but largely aluminium play, ended about 3% lower. And we had banking stocks like HDFC Bank ending the day with gains. So really, but what was most interesting today was the HDFC twins. That's HDFC and HDFC Bank ending the day higher. And these two stocks largely lent support to the market. In fact, HDFC ended a solid 4% higher in trade today, and HDFC Bank was about 2.5% higher. We also saw good gains in Hindustan Unilever. The stock was up about 4%. It was up almost 3.8%, almost 4. We had Wipro, which was up 3%. Asian Paints up 3%, and Apollo Hospitals up almost 3% in trade. Hindustan Bank was a little weak in trade today and lost almost 2.66%. Overall, the market trend was bearish. The broader markets were bearish. We saw mid-cap and small-cap stocks falling largely in line. But today, really, it was the HDFC stocks, which are more defensive plays, which found some support. So investors were moving money from the high beta metal names to stocks largely from the more safe space, including HUL, Asian Paints, and the HDFC twins. This was largely about the market today. Overall, the sentiments across the global markets were not too great. The German DAX was up about 18 points, and the French CAC also was trading almost flat, and the UK's FTSE also was flat. So European Qs were not too strong. They were flattish. Dow futures were pointing to about 0.40% higher. So when the US markets open today later in the evening Indian Standard Time, we will see the Dow Jones probably slightly higher. We don't know what could transpire in those markets. Probably we could see some further correction, but for now the Dow futures are looking higher. All in all, it was a relatively okay session. Markets moved between losses and gains, and finally ended the day with gains. That's all from Market Roundup for now. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back tomorrow with the Market Roundup. My name is Sunil Fernandez.